In this video, I'm going to show you how to mask in Framer step by step using a simple frame-based workflow that works great for images, content blocks, and creative layouts. If you've ever wanted to crop content inside a custom shape, hide overflow, or create a clean mask design in Framer, this tutorial will walk you through it in the easiest way possible. And if this helps you out, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more Framer tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your Framer project. Once you're inside the canvas, the key to masking in Framer is using a frame as the parent container. To do that, press F on your keyboard to create a new frame. This frame is going to act as your mask, so think of it as the visible window for whatever content you place inside. Now resize that frame to the exact shape and size you want. You can make it wide, tall, square, or any custom dimension, depending on your design. If you want a circular or rounded look, you can also adjust the corner radius later, but the most important part right now is getting the frame size right. Next, drag the image or content you want to mask directly inside that frame. Make sure it becomes a child of the frame, not something sitting outside of it. This is a really important step because the masking effect only works properly when the content is placed inside the parent frame. Once your content is inside, select the frame itself. This parent frame controls the mask behavior, so whenever you want to adjust the visible area, you'll be editing this layer. If needed, you can reposition the child content inside the frame to show the exact portion you want. That way, you can crop into an image, reveal only part of a design, or control the visible section of your layout. If your content is larger than the frame, Framer will only show what fits inside the bounds of that mask. That's what makes this so useful for hero images, avatars, card previews, and custom visuals. You can use the same method for almost any element you want to clip or contain inside a specific shape. A quick tip here, if you don't see the masking effect right away, double check that the content is actually nested inside the frame. The parent-child structure matters a lot in Framer. Also make sure you're selecting the correct frame layer, because the mask is controlled by the parent, not the image itself. From here, you can keep refining the design by adjusting the frame size, changing the corner radius, or moving the inner content until it looks perfect. That's the basic masking workflow in Framer, and once you understand it, it becomes a super fast way to build cleaner and more professional layouts. So to recap, press F to create a frame, resize it to your desired shape, drag your image or content inside as a child, and then select the parent frame to control the mask. That's it. You've now learned how to mask in Framer. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and leave a comment if you want to see more Framer tips and tricks in the next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.